What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Dogecoin. Wanted to give you my thoughts on it. As some of you know, this is one of my most favorite meme coins right now. I think it still has a lot of potential in the long run. I mean, right now the markets are a little bit, obviously yesterday we had the flush. We have recovered fairly quickly from that, especially Dogecoin. I mean, Dogecoin obviously yesterday over the course of today fell down pretty hard because Dogecoin was one of the most leveraged cryptos out there. I mean, if you look at the funding rates for Dogecoin, it was quite ridiculous. So we had that, of course, here you can see, and since then it has actually normalized a lot. Like if you compare the funding rates for most meme coins and then Dogecoin is still fine. And most of you also know that I think if retail comes back to crypto, I think Dogecoin is going to perform very well. And we can still see like a 4x at the very least from this. But that is, honestly, that could still take some time. And right now, after a flush like this, the markets are just quite unstable. And there's a good chance, a realistic chance, that Bitcoin just gets into some sort of a consolidation from here after a quick recovery. And everything is very correlated still with Bitcoin. The Bitcoin dominance is still quite high. So yeah, there's basically two scenarios for Dogecoin right now. I would say due to the market circumstances, a bearish scenario is not most likely. It's obviously always possible in crypto, but it's not something I would expect. But it's rather a bullish confirmation, a bullish continuation right here, or it's some sort of a consolidation, all right? If Bitcoin really gets into a consolidation, then there's a good chance that Dogecoin just follows that, all right? So that's what we're waiting for. And in general, I would say we need some confirmation. If you look at Dogecoin at this moment, purely technically, I would say it looks bullish. I would say it's most likely after the recovery we had and the bullish confirmations by breaking above 16 cents and 17 cents. No, we actually did not break above 17 cents. Well, that's interesting. But the confirmation by breaking above 16 cents. So not only did we recover, we also got enough bullish momentum to break out. And if we look, and this is an assumption, but if we look at the momentum itself and the numbers behind that, I think we will see the same story. And that is, no, that's actually, Dogecoin is actually did not get that much momentum back, which is pretty interesting to see. Because there's a divergence, all right? You can see that the price is actually much more bullish than the momentum we actually got. So that's interesting. That actually makes me a bit more neutral on Dogecoin in general. So I'm going to have to shift my analysis a little bit. I think it's best to actually wait for some more confirmation now, because I wanted to say that that it looked most likely that we, after getting this bullish breakout, we will also break above 17 cents to rally up to that previous resistance level at 19.5 and 20, and then potentially break above that. But that's something for the future. But right now, I think it's a little bit more, a little bit wiser to wait for some confirmation. And then I'm talking about either 17.5 cents to break, which, as you can see right now, is our main resistance level. And also a psychological resistance level, of course, or our main support level, which we talked about earlier, 16 cents to break. I think that's best. I still think it's most likely in these market circumstances that we will continue with the bullish momentum. All right, so that Dogecoin will break above 17 cents, maybe after a pullback, but break above 17 cents and get back up to 20 cents. I think that's most likely, but I would, yeah, like I said, I would really wait for that breakout. Then you have confirmation, and then based on that confirmation, you can make some better decisions than this, which is just a prediction, all right? And investing and trading is very much a reaction. So it's better to react to that breakout and to that confirmation than to do something like this prematurely. Because if Dogecoin really drops down below 16 cents here, it's most likely that we'll just consolidate, all right, here between 13.5, 13, and 16/17. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, though, let me know down in the comments. And for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.